Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve Honeygain network overuse problem. So let's get started. So if you are using your Honeygain app and if you are facing this error as your network overused, you have to follow this easy step. So just go and open your Honeygain. So it's happened because of in one network you have connected many devices. So to fix that, you can just close the other devices that you have logged in with your account. Okay, with the same account, okay, not with the account, with the same account, and then it will be fixed. For example, I have port here, so I will just open it. Okay, so by this way you can fix it. If you have any related questions, you can let me know in my comment section. And this is how to solve the Honeygain network overuse problem. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.